Victor, what you doing? You looking at the cat? Is that your friend? It's windy out here. Take that out of your mouth so you can talk. Say hi. You're getting a kitty. Go get her, Victor. Where'd she go? She's over here with Mommy. There's a kitty. There she is. Kitty, go over there. Hey, Victor. Hey, Victor. Hey, man. What you doing? Oh, there's my shadow. Hey, Victor. Cat. You got a leaf? Victor. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Victor. Look at Mommy. Look up. Victor. Look up. Look up. Hey. Hey. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Victor. Bye-bye.